make sure the music's not too loud. Alright, music should be good. Just putting in my things into Stinu. Because I don't have a Magic's Key thingamabob. I trade off my phone and use TradingView for the analysis, so. Yeah. I like to make sure things are typed in. So I can just enter fast. Hang on, let's see. Oh, yeah, okay. I think I need to. All right. I got how do I see? Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, let me cut this. All right, bro. I slept kind of late. I feel fucking tired. Form. What do you mean cleaning? Can you see the stream? I think it's up. It looks like it's up. Just marking up GJ. The usual. Yeah, a little resistance, got a little support. We'll figure. Yeah, what pairs are you trying to trade now? Because the thing is, it's on my screen. Oh yeah, it's live. Yeah, the thing is, it's on my screen. So like, what would probably have to add you to the watch list? I mean, add the pairs to the watch list, and then. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, just let me know when you want to switch to pair. I'm just quickly marking up GJ on this. Just looking at it. Some little support resistance here. So oh yeah, shit. You can. Oh yeah, I should probably share my screen. Yeah, I should probably do that. Hang on. Share screen options. Yeah, hopefully this MacBook can handle me streaming and sharing screens and fucking all doing all this at the same time. Can you see my screen? Yeah, cool. So right now, yep. And I'm just marking up support and resistance, going to the top down analysis, looking at the daily, looking at the weekly. It seems to be rejecting off this point, but I don't fucking know. It's like still has a way to go to break above this level for it to like shoot up. But yeah, didn't someone in the group chat say it was a sell? I was confused, but I don't know, man. I don't know, but GJ's shooting up now. But wait, what? Hang on. During Asian, I was looking at it. It barely moved. Yeah. Oh yeah, we. I missed this move right here. This shit. One candle just shot up 27 pips in the last, literally just now. Yeah, I missed this move here. This one here. 10 p.m. When the market opened, and then 2 a.m. and 2 a.m. Yeah, no, no, it was literally, it was bullish the whole Asian session. 10 p.m., 2 a.m. This is now. Yo, I missed this move. This shit shut up. Hang on, let me quickly look up Forex Factory. See if there's any GJ news. Man, I don't really understand how that works. Like, governments borrow money, but they still work as if nothing's borrowed. Like, who the fuck even borrow money from other countries? I get that, but every country operates in debt. It's like, I don't fucking understand it, but there's only one piece of news, which is nothing. Yeah, but part of it was actually because there was news that UK is 2 trillion. I don't know, it's such a weird number. 2 trillion and 4 million in debt. 2 trillion 4 million. The number 2 trillion 4 million in debt, and I don't know. Yo, are you seeing GJ? Man, this shit shot up 30 pips, and I missed this move. If I was awake earlier, I probably would have bought around here. Break of these. Hang on, let me check if the stream can hear you talk. Let me play it back to myself in my ears. Because I'm not sure if it's just my mic or I can hear, or it's the entire Zoom chat. Let me okay. Wait, is it? I don't even know. If I have the Zoom thing on. Wait, say something. Let me see if your audio is playing back. It's just my audio playing. How do I share your audio? I have no fucking clue. And how do I share your audio? I have Zoom window capture on. Properties. Trying to look, maybe audio input capture. No, that's not it. How do I stream? Okay, let me just quickly mark up GJ so I don't fucking miss shit again. What was I doing? Daily Damn, I missed this. But when did this even start? When did this break actually? This broke out. Oh, that was 5 a.m. Oh, I was never going to get that move anyway. Fuck, it doesn't matter. All right, let me just quickly mark it up and I'll figure out what's the deal with the Zoom thing. You still in the chat? Yeah, cool. I don't even get, like, the thing is, that's why, like, I don't even bother to look anything below before 8 a.m. So, we're, yeah. So we're at this stage in GJ where essentially this will support in the past and it could be retesting it as resistance, and it seems maybe, but it's breaking it, might close above it, who knows. But keep this here. This was actually back in the pre-analysis I made 2 days ago. This was the move I was actually illustrating that would happen, either that or the sell. But I said if it broke on the 1 hour, I said if some shit happened here and it broke above just literally exactly like this, it would shoot up. My partial would have been this previous support, possible retest as resistance, and I would have let it run all the way up to here. So yeah, just a bit broke, literally maybe by a pip or so. But like that would have been the trade. But it happened at 5 a.m. so I was never gonna take the trade anyway, so I don't really care. It touched it. That's all that matters. The fact that it just touched it would have been me taking my 2% partial, and then well, yeah, I would have taken maybe 60% off the trade. Yeah. So on the 4 hour, yeah, we got a resistance up here, which was the daily one, but yeah, there's really not much going on with right now. All the levels are kind of marked up, really, to be honest. I think this was the daily. What the fuck is this? Nothing. Yeah, that's really it. Just literally little thing going on here. Could be retesting this, and that's really about it for GJ right now. I guess. Yeah, so if in the pre-analysis that I did, I was literally saying that around. So I said this. So this is the candle I saw. This is the candle that we saw at the time. Yeah. Well, actually, that's the 24th. No, that's not the candle we saw. We saw this candle. We saw this candle here, and I said if it rejected this level or came down, right, we'd have like some kind of playing around at like I was basically saying, imagine this was treated as support, blah blah blah. It basically was, and then I was saying I looked down the 30-minute, 1 hour. All I had to do is see it literally just, form these really weak bearish candles and then just shoot up past it. That would have been my buy. If you look at it, it literally played out exactly as I said it would. On if it were to be a buy, if it were to be a sell, I had that planned out as well. So, so right now, what I think is gonna happen is if this closes on the 30-minute above, I can't see because it's literally exactly on the line. But if it closes above this blue line I say here, which was previous 4 hour support, could be retested as resistance, then if I see it kind of shoot up a bit, I'm gonna take a buy, probably up to fill the 4 hour wicks because it was clean traffic down. So this is what I think would happen if it closes above. Have my whatever 10-15 pip or something like that, and then target up to here. And I know it's a big target, but it's the fact that there's nothing to the left other than just like clean drop. So most likely there'll be a clean shoot up. 30-minute is kind of breaking it. I feel like I might enter, but it's Monday and it's 8 a.m. and every time on a fucking Monday I think it's time to enter, it's not time to enter, and I end up fucking the trade up on a Monday, and then on a Tuesday it always works out. But I don't know, I might see where the 30-minute closes, or maybe the 15-minute. Yeah, I might see where this 30-minute closes. Yeah, I think I'll wait. I think I'll just wait. Yeah, I'm trying to. Yeah, let me go back to try figuring out how to get your audio to play in the stream. Um, we probably should have tested this yesterday. Zoom properties. Why is it just playing the audio from Zoom? Zoom. Maybe just kind of share an audio option or some shit. Zoom live. No, it's not this one. Let me see. Oh shit, let me see. Gallery view. Maybe look at. Hang on. Is there in for your Zoom thing? Do you maybe there's some kind of security thing that says allow share audio? Maybe. Actually, that doesn't make any sense because I'm not recording through that. Maybe if let's see, properties. Properties Zoom. All right, I think this might work. Let me play it back in my head. Say something. All right, wait. Still not playing back. Speaker now. But no, the background music plays. It just plays on YouTube only. It should, yeah. I mean, it should pick it up. Maybe I'm not adding it as a source. Hang on, media source, add. Oh, that's local file. Oh, that's the wrong one. Remove. Yes. USD card. Let me go to your screen. Let me share to your screen real quick. How do I Zoom? How the fuck do I change the thing? Oh, I think I'm in the wrong view. I think in speaker view. Share. Oh, that's expanded view. Oh, the controls are up here. I was like, what? Oh yeah, because I forgot I'm sharing my screen. Oh yeah. All right. Yeah, I'll wait 15 minutes, see what Jay's doing. But share your screen. Let's see what you're looking at. Can I see your your screen. I don't know what shit Zoom was doing. I don't know. I'm still sharing my screen. Let me pause my share. Can you share it? Yeah, I think I have security on. Yeah, it's off, so should be able to change the screen. Oh, yeah, I'll stop my share. Yeah. No. Maybe it's me, but I can't. No, I can't. Oh, fuck it. Maybe. Who can start sharing when someone else is sharing? All participants. Multiple participants can share simultaneously. Dual monitors recommended. Okay, now I can see it. I can see you, but I can't see your screen. Yeah, it's fucking shirts. Hang on. The Zoom. No, actually, your chart's sharing somewhere because the Zoom. Hang on. Give me a second. I think the window's just hidden because I have a million windows open right now. Properties. Yeah, it's one of these. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah, but I think I need more monitors or something. But yeah, I can see it. Let me change the window capture to your screen. Zoom. All right, it should be your screen, but I'll crop out your top bars. Yeah. I'll hide my screen. I know, trading view. Yeah. Yeah, I can see your screen. What was the analysis you're looking at? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you've put full screen. Let me crop it better. Yeah, just adjusting it in the chat. The stream. It's because I have an ultra wide monitor, so like everything adjusted. But yeah, yeah. What are you looking at? You'd probably want to zoom in a bit more on that. Yeah, most good. Yeah. Yeah, I can see it. Yeah. I mean, from what I see, the candle right before it. I mean, if I guess, but then I probably would have waited because it didn't close back. Because if you look at that candle, it didn't close back in. You know what I mean? The candle, right? So the candle that wicked you up, right? Like it didn't close back in. So like, probably would have waited for another candle, and then it would have avoided that situation. Yeah, you would have probably waited for that next candle, and then so you wouldn't have to deal with that problem, and your stop would have been okay. Yeah, it's pretty much it just didn't close in. Yeah. When you first look at a chart, yeah, you're starting with the higher time frames, right? For the levels, like for example, right? Since it's a new date day, like so, what I like to personally do, I clear all of my charts every day, so I can always redraw them. So I look at the weekly, and I use the weekly to kind of just see what's going on. But I don't draw weekly levels. I draw daily levels. So I'll draw like a daily support resistance, and then I'll go to the 4 hour and draw 4 hour levels, and then I'll be using my 30 minutes, and well, I'll use the 1 hour for targets and possible more resistance and support levels. I kind of use the 1 hour as entry, but I don't. I use the 30 minutes. It's a bit different. So it's like I'll draw. So you're on the 1 day. Yeah, you're on the daily. So yeah, I'll draw a level like that, pretty much. I don't even use the rectangle tool anymore, cause I can kind of just see where the range is if I just draw a line at this point. But yeah, exactly what you're doing there is exactly what I would do. No, literally, that's it. That's about it. Literally, just the recent data, and then I'd go to the 4 hour level. Um, just make the candles a bit longer, but zoom in a bit more. Looking at GJ now, like that's why it's good to wait for the candles to close, because that completely hit. Just like I said, it treated that as resistance. Completely bounced away. Yeah, which is what I was saying could happen. That's why I didn't take the trade. Man, I think we need like some magic keys or something, because sometimes I need them quick entries. Yeah, so the thing is here, the 4 hour and the daily are pretty much the same level, so there's really nothing like it's at the 4 hour / daily support, so there's nothing really to draw extra here other than like the fact that possible. I mean, yeah, I think that's it, to be honest. It looks good to me. And then yeah, it just pretty much wait and seeing at the level it's currently at. Does it close below it or does it close above it? And those would be my entries. So the target profit, right? You look if you since you're on the 4 hour, you'd zoom out a bit and look to the left. Assuming it closed below, then you have to look to the left. What's on the left? Obviously, the immediate thing. If you look what broke, well, actually, Yeah, okay. So currently where it's at right now. Actually, let me use my annotate tool. Drawing. So yeah, we need to figure this Zoom audio issue, but let me just quickly explain this. So on the move, yeah. So this, can you see that, John? Yeah, so that is the immediate thing to the left of where it will have trouble if it breaks down. So there is going to be a reaction there. So if you can just make the candles, zoom into the candles. Zoom, but make them a bit longer. Yeah. Zoom out just a tiny. Yeah, actually, yeah, that's good enough. Fuck it. So, oh wait. Yeah, so basically, this. Oops, what kind of drawings that? Hang on. Basically, this is going to be, if it breaks down, this will be where it has problems to begin with. So it will have trouble there because you can see there is like a little kind of support situation going on there. So since you're swinging, I don't know. Like for me, I realize I can turn scalps into swings if I just keep increasing the TP. If I think it's viable to increase the TP. So in this case here, right? Let me quickly just draw a line or some shit. So we have this. All right. So here we have a kind of support, right? Also going on. And if it closes, the current candle closes below the blue line you set, it's going to go to there and it's going to have a reaction. It might break through, who knows, but it's going to have a reaction, right? So since you're swinging it, what would be safe is that probably take it when the candle closes here. So if the candle does this, or like, multiple candles or whatever, but if it basically closes here, damn, GJ reversed off that level. That's why I said let me wait for the candle to close. Holy, okay, hang on. Yeah, I know. That's the thing. I realized on Monday, like if it was me a few weeks ago, I would have taken that buy. But this Monday and Monday shit happens. But anyway, so here's the thing, right? If you're swinging, I don't recommend looking at 15. Like, I think look at the 1 hour, 30-minute minimum 30-minute. I've been playing around with other weird times like the 10-minute and the 45-minute. TradingView gives you literally any time you want. If you just type it in, it's cool. But hang on, so that previous place I was saying was going to be trouble. If you can zoom out a bit, let's say it goes past those candles. If you just zoom out a bit, let's see what else is to the left, so we can know where possible TP is if it does break below. Are you what time are you on? Alright, so then like basically you draw the level of where the next 4 hour will be. Like, so let's say assume it breaks down the recent candles, then draw a blue horizontal ray over where the next support is on the 4 hour in the past. So if you zoom out, basically you might have to go even on the daily, who knows, but basically just draw the support of that. Yeah. I need to figure out how to share this audio. Oh. What pair are you trying to trade? GJ rejected that fucking level. Holy, and I said it would retest it as resistance, and it did. Drop down 16 pips. I knew it would have. I said that what happened. It happened. It rejected it massively. Yeah, I said possible resistance, so that's why I said I won't take the trade unless it closed above it, because that's for our possible resistance, and it did, it happened. Let me properties. I'm still trying to figure out how to share. Yeah, that's what I was saying. It was support before, but I was saying possibly you could treat it as resistance, and it did. Perfectly planned trade. I knew what happened. I could see the future. Where is? Oh my days. Hang on. Yeah, we probably should have tested. Because I'm fucking playing around with all the things, trying to figure out where all the zoom things are. Yeah, Google it. I don't know how to share the audio on. Search how to share Zoom audio on OBS live stream. B for beta. OBS. Yeah, like I know it's just capturing the window, but it's like I don't know how to make it capture the audio of the source. That's the problem. No, how do you add Zoom? You know how to capture Zoom audio. Zoom audio. Yeah. Because right now it's just capturing the. Nothing's really happened. Actually, let me look at GJ real quick. My bias for GJ is kind of bearish. I mean, it looks like there's a weekly support being formed. Well, honestly, we just have to wait to see where candles close, because it's Monday. Oh, really? Hang on, let me, let's see, it says, where are you reading? No, but like, why are you looking at the comments? Look at the video. Or why are you even looking at a video? Isn't there like a quick article that just shows how to do it? How to capture audio. Oh, no. Actually, yeah, that video looked good. The one, how to capture, it was saying how to capture audio. 8-minute fucking video. It's what? Yo, no. No, wait. No, go back. Yeah. He went to settings, audio, desktop. Why is it disabled for me? Or mic? No, that's mic auxiliary. Desktop audio is disabled for me. Why is that? Does he have like the options of like other things in it? Is it because maybe the stream already started, so it doesn't give the option? Maybe. Nah, that wouldn't make any sense. Desktop audio. Oh, Yeah, I think maybe. I think I remember doing this. You have to. I have to virtually split. I have to virtually split my audio on my MacBook to basically allow for different outputs. So like, the MacBook has like on Windows has like a combined audio output source. So I have to like split, at least on Mac anyway. Let me GJ. I mean, it is. I mean, it's the first. It's the first stream. It was bound. We were bound to fuck it up somehow. Yeah. Let me. Okay. Yeah. GJ's not really doing much. Let me quickly Google. How this mic. I ordered this stand for it, but it's shit. So I ordered another stand. It's better. It gets in the way of the keyboard. Just didn't support the weight. God damn. Yeah, I need to sort this mic situation out. All right. So how to capture Zoom audio. OBS. God damn, this mic stand is so trash. That's why I had to buy another one. It doesn't support the weight of this thing. No tape on this weight. Alright, that should be better, kind of. Alright, I should hold. Yeah, GJ is just, it's just in a range. It is just sandwiched in a range. Yeah, bro, I realized that as well. Like, and that pissed me off. How do I? Let me check OBS. How to capture desktop audio on Mac. All right, there we go. All right, so basically, oh yes, of course, I need to download a program called iShowU Audio Capture and Extension. Download Catalina. Download installer for Mojave or Catalina. Hopefully it works. I don't have to. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right, cool. Cool. I mean, it was bound to happen. Like, obviously, like, something was bound to happen, you know. It was like, we didn't test it. Fuck it. It's the first stream. It's not like anyone's watching, but eventually people will, so we'll fix it up in the future. We're just doing this to trade, to be honest. I want to give credit. I actually do want to give credit to Wix Don't Lie. In case this blows up and he starts chatting shit saying that we're copying him. I want to say, yeah, we got the idea from you, so we're giving you fucking credit here. But Roger, you're a cool guy. You taught me how to trade better. I appreciate it. We're just kind of doing what you're doing at this point. Does it want me to restart my computer? Nah, I can't do that. Yeah, the stream was just gonna have to basically be without your audio, because I'll have to restart my computer to get it to work. Yeah, so we're just gonna leave the stream on with just my voice in the background, and the next stream will be your voice. Yeah, probably should have tested that. No, I was about, but no, I that's the solution I have. I need to restart my computer so I can, because I downloaded something that allows me to do that, but I need to restart my computer for it to turn on. But I obviously I want to restart it the stream. Only thing is your audio is in it, but it doesn't matter. The next one tomorrow will have your audio in it. So at this point, yeah, I mean, there's not much being said anyway. You're looking at share your screen. Let's see what you're looking at. Actually, I think you are. Yeah. Oh yeah. You are. You are. Put your thing to full screen so that way I don't have to crop out the tabs. Yeah, I can see that. Is this GJ? Yeah, it's GJ. Yeah. Bro, I said it clearly. I laid it out I laid it out for us. I said if it does not close above that previous support, which could be resistance, that shit is going to go down, and it did exactly that. Like I learned this with when it comes to buying impulsively. So actually, if you look at if I let me share my screen to show you how I know how to take impulse trades now. So if you stop sharing your screen and let me share mine, and you'll see what I'm seeing. Hang on. I think I need another screen because all these Zoom things are just taking up my everything. Zoom me in. Zoom me in. Share screen. Man, Zoom's making me look like a boomer. Where's the share screen button here? Wait, what? That's full screen mode. Wait, am I blind? Where is the share screen button all of a sudden? Speaker view. No. More. Oh, yeah, okay, found it, yeah. Yeah, that's cool. Share. Alright. Can you see my screen? Yeah, let me just adjust this thing. Zoom properties. Zoom. Alright, cool. Yep, alright, so like I was saying, yeah. Actually, what was I even saying? Yeah, so for breakout trades, yeah, to take a breakout trade, this is how the only time you can take a breakout trade is if it's in a very tight range. Other than that, you have to wait for candles to close. So look at this. The reason I did not buy here, and you've seen me buy before when it breaks levels like these, the reason I didn't buy here is because look at this. Look at this very tight range here, right? I'm about to draw here. Do you see this? You see that? So this is a situation where you can take an impulse trade when it's a very, very tight range in the 30-minute, 1 hour zone, right? Only then I would have taken a buy around, if I was awake for the time, I would have taken a buy up to here and placed this at about just below the entry of, well, I would have taken it as it broke this candle, placed about 10 pips. Yeah, I would have taken an entry like this, and I would have been hit TP. But the reason I didn't take the buy when it broke that level is because there's no tight consolidation. So it has no... Imagine like a Coke can. You shake a Coke can, and the pressure builds up, and it just bursts up, yeah? The consolidation is you shaking the Coke can. So that's my analogy with that. And that's the reason it rejected here, because it still has a lot of, like, place where pressure can be relieved, if you can imagine. So that's why I just rejected it. I went back down. Well, that's my own little analogy. That's obviously the reason why, but it's like why I can what I say to myself if I'm gonna buy or impulsively or not. Yeah, so honestly, it looks like it could be treating this as a new support. So now watch this, right? This is so let's say it treats this. Let me even zoom in more. Let's say it does treat this as new support. Now the fact that it's even a higher level of support, if it starts ranging in here, the second it breaks off of the, I'm probably going to buy. Probably. It depends on how candles are forming here. Who knows? Who knows? It depends if it treats as support or whatever, but yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I find that markets do. I feel like the market for this pair really moves around the 9:30 a.m. mark when I think Asian closes. So there's no Asian influence anymore. Does it? I don't. I heard. I've seen people say it closes at. I've seen Themes articles say it closes at 9 or 10 a.m. I don't even know. I mean, maybe. Yeah. Yeah. You know, the thing that I'm gonna like about these streams is it's basically a good little journal. Even though, of course, the situation with this is that I might take trades after. I'm probably gonna take trades after the stream. The only reason I'm stopping it at 10. Only reason I started at 8 is because there's no. I have work at 10:30, so yeah. Ideally, I would love to do the stream between 9:30 a.m. and like 2 p.m. or some shit like that. Actually, no, that's too long. I'll probably do like 11 a.m. to like 2 p.m. if I had the time to stream then. I have the time to trade then. I just don't have the time to stream then. Euro USD. Let me give that a look. Euro USD. Let me give USD a quick little like my own little analysis. See what I see. So what I see here on Euro USD, I heard Euro USD is the most traded pair out of all of them. I see Euro USD. Yeah, bro, I'm actually exhausted. I slept at 1 a.m. Yeah, bro, I don't even know, especially because I have work and I'm actually making an iOS app. It's almost finished. The code is public, so if anyone wants to check it out. But basically, on the page Bread Batch on Instagram. Yeah, so he's my guy. I've known him for like literally all my life, and we're friends. So I said I'll make you an app. Yeah, no. Yeah, so I said I'll make you an app where you can make your posts on your phone rather than using Photoshop. So I'm building him an app where he doesn't need to use Photoshop to make the post anymore. He can just use his phone. So to actually make his post, I'm making an app for him, a Bread Batch app. No. I mean, like, see the way he makes his post? They have a template, right? I'm basically I'm making it so he can, instead of using Photoshop, he can actually make the post in an app I'm making for him. Yeah. Yeah, the daily's here, 4 hour. It's rejecting level. If okay, so this is if I were gonna take this trade, honestly, see how this closed like this? I would actually be well. Actually, I would not be in that trade because it's. I think it's shut up too far. Because look at this. We have this 4 hour support could be tested as resistance. If yeah, I probably wouldn't have taken that. But if you look at a 30 minute, the entry would have been a 30 minute. But if you're just going looking at the 4 hour and the 1 hour, just because it's clear at the moment, yeah, that trade. If anyone were to buy Euro USD right now, they'd be so stupid because it's already shut up 18 pips with this one candle. You'd have to put the stop here at 25 pips. Nah, fuck that. And your target would be only 15 pips, 16 pips. Yeah, so let's say we went to the 30 minute, right? And we were seeing these very weak. So if you actually look at this very weak doji candle looking shit, you actually would. This is what I would have done. Let me zoom in a bit more. Yeah, this is too close. So on the 30 minute, yeah. What is trading view doing? All right. This very weak candle here. Can you see this candle? This very weak bearish candle. Either this, actually not even that candle would have been the entry. This previous bullish would have been my entry as it broke this over here. So yeah, we would have done that. I would have put a 10 pip stop loss. And look, it would have shut up. But the way it is now, obviously not. Plus, no, not the doji. The previous bearish candle. Obviously, this is 5:30 a.m. So I would have not have entered here. But I'm trying to say, if this happened during a time I would trade Euro USD, which I don't trade it, but if it happened during a time like that, it would have been entering here because this was a bearish, then a bullish, and it broke this bullish here, and then the next candle is a very weak ass bearish candle. There was no other choice but it to shoot up. Honestly, even the 1 hour was a good indication of it going up. So, and if you look at the 4 hour, you can very clearly see that it had a lot of bullish power now because look how this 4 hour closed. And yeah, this is what. So I think it's just gonna happen. It's gonna go up to here. It's gonna go up to this level right here. It's gonna have problems. It might do exactly what GJ did. Who knows? Or it might just burst up. But the thing is, it's too late to take the entry now because you're here. You'd have to take the entry. You'd have to now wait till it closes here to take the entry. So your trade can look something like this. I don't know how Euro USD works, but I do know that I would wait till the candle closes simply because, let's say it does just shoot up, right? Eventually, something has to like I said, that cocaine analogy. It's not ranging enough so that like it can just shoot up past it because there's a 43 pip gap between the support and the resistance here. So I think wait for it to close, take an entry, look at something like this, and then target. I mean, if you're swinging it, yeah, I mean that's still the target. I don't think it's a good idea to swing this trade. I think target 30 or 40 pips at the next resistance of the 4 hour. Target here, and you basically have a trade that boom shoots up here, and if it yeah, pretty much that's all that matters. I think swinging trades work when you first make it into a scalp and then you turn it into I've done this a few times, But but most of the time I never let them play it out because I want to see it happen more just to be certain. Wait, enter on a day? Hang on, no, I don't think anyone's entering on a daily now because entering on a daily. Yeah, well, but like for a swing trade, I don't even know. Like, how long is a swing trade? Is it like is it just longer than a day? Really? Damn, imagine holding a trade for 2 months. Momo holds, holy shit, man. Momo holds trades for years. Yeah. Damn, bro. Could have put a lot of positions as it was going up. You know what I see with traders is like a lot of traders. I don't even want to say new traders because we're still new traders. I feel like we're new until maybe next year May when it's a year. I think at least a year before we consider like what are we at that point. Yeah. I guess in terms of time, but yeah. Yeah, I think when I started, man, like my goal was never to trade just to trade. My goal was like, what is going on here? What is this? First of all, I obviously asked the obvious questions. Is this legit? Is it real? And then I was like, okay, it's real. Then I was like, I need to learn, right? I need to like people enter these markets without learning. I'm very confused. If you don't know what you're doing, like, I mean, don't know anything. I mean, there's some people trading and they don't even know what pips are, man. Like, they just trade. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. And yeah, I'm a coronavirus trader, but like I stuck with it. I and it's a thing I'm gonna keep doing for the long run. A lot of people started during this coronavirus thing and like they're gone. They're back doing their normal shit, doing nothing. That's crazy, man. Like I'm seeing, like I just saw, like at the start, I thought it was so fake, man. I was seeing all these people with the Lamborghinis and the fucking this and that. I was very confused. I was like, where's this money coming from? And then, yeah, no, I don't know what the fuck is real at that point. And then I'm just looking at shit, and I was thinking, there's too many different people from different countries. And I was thinking, it seemed too many people were doing it for it to be fake. And they were doing things similar without talking to each other. So something was going on. And I was thinking, oh, and then I was like, oh, Forex is just trading currencies, as in, you know, current banks buy currency and this, and the result is Forex. So that made sense. And then I just started learning. I learned from Nick originally. No, I'm not even Nick originally. I went to YouTube, search all kind of bullshit methods. The alligator, the Bollinger Bands, the RSI, buy it 30, sell it 70. Holy shit, I can't believe it. I used to trade. Then I joined a signal group. I see Julia shares that thing. I join, what are they called? Roy FX or some shit? I don't even know. I joined their team, right? I'm in their signals group for 2 weeks. And then I just sit down and think to myself, even though I made money from the signals, I actually did make money from the signals live account, and I withdrew it. I just withdrew all of it. And then I was like, wait a minute. This is fucking stupid. Why would I rely on someone telling me when to do it if I could just learn myself? Then, because of that, I discovered Nick. I discovered Momo. And then, how I discovered Wix eventually, after I learned from Nick and Momo for 2 months, how I discovered Wix, I don't know if it was Instagram or if it was because... Oh yes, Nick mentioned Wix in a post. He said, this guy trades like me but on lower time frames. So I go to check Wix, and then Wix changed my life. Wix changed everything. Nick and Momo were good too, but I don't like swinging because I just don't like being in trades that long. I honestly don't like being in trades that long. And not only that, Wick also trades the pair for our session, London and New York or whatever. That was perfect. Then I discovered Uncle Ted, and that changed my life. And I was like, that's all I needed. He does, man. But the thing is, the people listen to it. And people continuously keep asking Ted the dumbest fucking questions. They begin the gulag asking, oh, how tall are you? Who gives a... What is this why you... Learn to fucking trade. This guy, millionaire, probably 8-figure trader, is offering free fucking advice. And these people are asking him, how tall are you? Fucking idiots. That's some real gulag shit, man. Fuck it out. Yeah. Yeah, that annoys me. Like, cause this is a fucking London pair. Why does it come in during... It's annoying. Yeah, that's the thing, man. Like, sometimes you gotta... But bro, though, sometimes... Actually, no, a lot of the times, if you go back, like last week, I was really looking at GJ. Look at this. This was London Open. Look at this drop. It happened from London Open. It dropped 120 pips starting from London Open breakout. No, I was watching. I was looking at the news then. This was Friday, and the only news there that was related to GJ, which happened here. No, happened here. It was positive news, but it ultimately did nothing. It still went down. It was just basically a liquidity wick. So yeah, this happened from London Open. It was just clean traffic down. So I can't disband London Open and say there's no volume there, because there is. Because the thing that annoys me is seeing that the entries... So I'm in London Open, it's 8 a.m. But seeing that the entry was during Asian session. And I missed the entry at 8 a.m. because it happened in Asian session. I don't trade Asian session. It's annoying. It's kind of annoying. Because the entry for the trade, if... Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so the entry would have been here. But this was 4 a.m. and I can't fuck with 4 a.m. trade. Actually, I wouldn't have taken it on here because there's no wick, but I would have taken it here. 5 a.m. and I can't trade at 5 a.m. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, pretty much. So, I think this is gonna happen, right? I think so. If you look at the daily, if we look at the daily, it seems because the weekly closed with a wick. I think it's possible we could still go down a bit, which we did a bit, but it's going up again. I'm thinking this is treating this as support. I think this level is like kind of ideally though. No, this is the problem here. I'm thinking ideally I would have wanted it up here to be tested. So now I'm very I would ideally want here of been the level it tested. You know what I mean? But that's not the case, which is weird. I think it closed below it. So that's why I think the next candle possibly could break down here and keep going. But it seems to be treating as support, so I guess we just have to go with it. My bias, I guess, look at the overall bias, it's still bullish in my opinion, but it just doesn't want to go. It doesn't want to break out of this 140 level. But yeah, like I said, on the 4 hour, yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm thinking because we're at this weird support level. We're kind of at support, right? And it's like, yeah, I know, that's the thing. It closed below. What was it 1, 2? These are 4 days of work date. It closed below it. So I'm thinking the next, yeah, I'm thinking the next daily could just shoot down. Yeah, this held for a while. Eventually became support, which is why I was hoping that this candle up here was gonna shoot up, but it didn't. But instead, we just shoot back down. Price doesn't want to go anywhere, so I guess we're just kind of. I don't, man. You watch too much of that news, and your brain will start getting infected with fucking look at the news. Yeah, Forex Factory will be about the only thing I look for news. But man, there's just so much shit happening. It's like it's just too much to look at. That shit will infect your brain. Like fuck that shit. Yeah, the really high impact news. There's no point looking at the weak one. I think it's just normal or something. Let me give Forex Factory a look again. See what's going on. Yeah, there's only one piece of news. CNY. What does that even mean? Oh, let me put it on the screen. Yeah, there's only this piece. Oh, yeah. What the heck is this? I might have to zoom in there. I have no. This is the only piece of news. Oh shit. What the fuck? Why was it collapsed? Today's the 24th. Yeah, that's it. That's all there is. What the fuck is this? CNY currency. Oh, that's a currency. What's CNY? Is that Swiss franc or something? No, it's not. What the fuck is CNY? No, I think it's over here. Detail. Yeah, I mean it's not even worth looking at. All that matters is orange and red. Yeah, on Friday there's some huge GJ news coming out, but I don't know, some bullshit. But that's like still days away. I mean, here's the thing, right? The fact there's no news today, I think. Yeah. Oh, by the way, if you want to zoom in more on my screen, you can actually, if you right-click the screen share on your screen, you can click full screen view, and you can actually go closer, for you personally, if you want to see it. Oh yeah, cool, 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 cool. Yeah, nothing really going on. I think because there's nothing going on today, I think because nothing's really going on, that it's gonna play out. I think moves are gonna play out cleanly. I think. Man, fucking Mondays. I only that's why I say I only take one trade on Monday and one trade on Friday. Maybe if there's no news on Friday, I will take a trade on Friday. If there is, and I only take one trade on Monday. But man, GJ is just fucking. It's boring, man. It is. The thing is, this makes it at least a bit more fun because trading on your own is boring. Holy shit, man. No wonder why people stop doing this shit. So last weekend I brought one of my guys over and I showed them. They wanted to kind of, not really. He just kept saying, "Oh, I'll get into Forex." Not really. I could tell he's not the type of guy. But I showed him. I actually showed him what it is, and he was like, "No, fuck, I can't do that shit, man." For some reason, people look at graphs and it's like they have like PTSD from maths class or something. What the fuck? Bro, I don't know why people are so afraid of looking at numbers and graphs and maths. Like, chill out. It's not that. Maybe it's because I program for a living that to me, seeing things like this is like child's work because it's just a graph. That's all it is. I deal with more complicated shit. I think that's why. I think maybe, and I think that's what plays into me learning how to trade really fast because, see, Ted was a poker player and Ted used the psychology from poker playing to become a trader, but you can also use the psychology from being a programmer to be a trader. Yeah. Yeah, because it rejected, like I said, it rejected a level. Actually, drew this in the wrong place. Like I said, it rejected, just like I said it would reject the level. I said possibly you would reject the level. Because there's no. Yeah, I mean, if that's why I said I have to wait for it to close above this, and then I will take the buy, especially on Monday. But more specifically, like I said, that Coke can analogy, there's not enough pressure to like make it burst. So I think it could be a waiting game. It's definitely just ranging. I think maybe New York it will maybe do something. Maybe. What time is it now? 9:15. Another 45 minutes. something could happen. I don't know. Hang on, let me go. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna drink that level hard. What the fuck? The thing is, you take, yeah. Oh yeah. So I was literally just about to say that. I was like, some people would take sales, but the thing is, you gotta realize that we're at a, we're like a daily support ish in a way, maybe. Like the only time I'm looking for sales, well, not the only time, because I did take a sell last week and it did go into profit. So I'm saying, just currently where it's at is not like a really selly kind of place, if you get me. Like, yeah. Yeah, it makes it easy to just kind of dictate. You know, Momo started to trade scalp recently. I think he's seeing the Wicks don't lie way. But that means he'll have to chill out on how many pairs he trades. Bro, he's the reason I bought TradingView Pro plan, thinking I need thinking I need 30 fucking alerts. Now I only trade one pair and I use maybe 2 alerts a day at max. I'm on Pro Plus. The reason I'm on Pro Plus is because I was gonna cancel my Pro subscription, and then they gave me an offer where if I pay for the rest of the year at a very high discount rate, I get it off. And I just did the maths on it. It was a good deal. I think I paid only 200 for the entire 250 for the entire year, which is pretty good. It works for some people, man. I mean, if they've been on it for ages. I went to go look at. I don't know why it got recommended to me. Wick's first live video got recommended to me, and it was 3 years ago. And holy shit, man, it was so trash. Like, it was so he talks so slowly. I find this it's so weird, yeah. In TV shows, in people who are like kind of put themselves on camera, they talk really slow at the beginning because they're getting used to like talking fast for a camera. But I think because I did that little Facebook YouTube situation for a bit, you got to realize how other people see you, so you need to talk a bit faster, clearer, and all that shit. And I just do it automatically, which is funny because in my work I have to give a presentation to these new incoming engineers in next month. I have to tell them like, because I was the latest batch of people to come in, so like they want me to like explain to them the life. Nothing really going on here. Like, actually, let me look. If it were to break below here, what's the distance? 16 pips. Still not that good, to be honest. Like, let's say it breaks here. Like, I'm not gonna take the trade instantly as it hits. So, like, the problem is there's no real space here either. So, yeah, literally the only trades that I'm looking for is buys. I'm not looking for anything else. Like, to look for a sell, only time I look for a sell is if it broke down here. That's the yeah, it would have to break below because this is the daily support. It would have to break here, and then I'm looking for a sell. This is what, if that happens, I already calculated the move in the pre-analysis on Saturday. We're going down to at least 200 pips. So, like, unless of course it's a fake out, but we're going out, if it does break, 170 pips potential target. Obviously that'll be kind of a swingish thing. I'll probably target some 4-hour level in between, but yeah, if it closes below these candles, and let's say we took it right below these candles as well, like very below these candles, we still have 125 pips. So it all depends. So basically, man, Ted and Wick showing me that whole things of how candles like to fill each other, it made target profits so easy. And yeah, man, and knowing when to actually take a trade, because, oh, can I fill this week? Is there clean traffic? Is there support that could be resistance now, or resistance that can be support now? That I don't know. I don't know shit about IML. You see those annotator guys, those IML guys in Dublin. I saw Bobby share some. No, but like, no, listen, forget. I don't care about them trading or doing market. That's what I'm laughing at. I'm laughing at. It looks so, like, that's the shit you see when you think of scam. You know what I mean? Like, they're wearing suits. You're talking on motivational. It's so scammy sounding. Like, bro, if you want to sound legit, stop the suits and stop the fucking thing. Because, what are they even promoting? That's the thing. What the fuck does that even mean? That's just like some kind of American patriarchy shit. Promoting freedom. Man, it looks like and sounds like a pyramid scheme. What the fuck? What's your name? Why are you laughing? What's your name? Oh, Alys. Yeah. Yeah. Oops. Is she a trader? From LA. Bro, I wish I knew about this shit 5 years ago. Wait a minute, I think I've maybe seen her. Are you sure this was 3 years ago? I thought that, wasn't this last year? It must have been last year, because I remember something happened on stories. People had some meet and shit, but like... Yeah, but is she a trader, though? Is she a trader, or is she a marketer? I don't know, man. She's not a trader. She's not a trader. She's not a fucking trader. Get the fuck out of here, man. I don't see a single chart. And here's the thing, right? I know there's traders who don't give a fuck about social media. Like, I'm not gonna post what I do on whatever. But I won't be saying DM me wealth to start making money and not show charts. So when I see something like that, I didn't think, okay, this is a marketer. Do you honestly think, no, wait. Do you honestly think she's sitting down 4 hours straight looking at the charts, ready to put it? I don't know, man. Harmonic Elliott waves are like a little version of price action, because they're kind of alright. I did look at them before. They're alright, but at the end of the day, it's everything derives from just price action. That's all it is. I mean, maybe she's a trader. I don't know, but like, it just, this whole DM me something, like, it makes it really like fucking sketchy. Do you see IML rank? What the heck does that mean? They have ranks. What the fuck is this? Oh. Okay, wait, let me just... Okay, so we have... Can you see my... Oh, wait, let me... Wait. Hang on. What the fuck is this? Bro, do you see what I mean by those Dublin guys? Look at this. The guy in the suit talking... Chairman 50, 7-figure earner. Chairman 50, 250 a week. No, sorry, that's Club 100. Chairman 60, Chairman 4, let's say 60, 15K a week. You have to sign up 3,000 fucking people. Are you fucking serious? Man. Okay, watch. Bro, they're fucking... Bro, I always say this about the reason Americans are like that is because think about the structure of their country, yeah? Like, if they do not go hard, they will die in debt. Now think about it, yeah. College is so expensive there. Healthcare and all this other bullshit is such an inconvenience that if they do not go hard, and especially because there's so many people, they're literally going to die broke as shit. There is no choice for them there. Yeah, pretty much. Their only choice is yeah, pretty much their only choice is to go hard. That's it. I can't believe IMLs have ranks. Okay, but here's the thing though, right? Let's say you get to Chairman 100, 5,000 members. Here's the stupid thing. You earn 25K a week, but you do realize you can earn that with trading. I'm so sorry. You can't recruit 5,000 people, manage that, and then handle trading. It's either one or the other. Man, wait. I remember Mamba Effects said he paid $250 a month to just basically look at baby pips. That was basically what IML was doing. Man, that's some just scam central. Bro, there is no point of IML. Just learn to trade, and you'll make more money eventually, and probably faster if you just put in the time of instead of scamming people, put in the time to learn to trade. Man, that's some scam shit for you. That shit, fuck. Like, I've never seen a single out of all the good traders I know. Eds, Mamba, Nick, Momo, Ted, MyFX Journal, Wix, all of them. I've not seen a single one. TY, Swag Academy, Cubes, Qbanks. Not a single one of them. Yeah, I know. And I'm like thinking if all these good traders are saying this, then there has to be some validity to it. And yeah, I've never tried it myself, but just the idea, using logical common sense, you spend your time marketing. You're not trading. Simple as it's not trading. It's marketing. Bro, traders can't even trade for shit. What the fuck on it? Yeah. Ah, man. Oh man, that just sounds fucking scammy. That's all it sounds, to be honest with you. Just sounds scammy. You know, I want to start playing around with other time frames, like the 3 hours. I want to see if it gives me any better indication of what's going on. Like, this is how we know it's in it. Like, looking at the 3 hours. Yeah, I'm looking at 3 hours, and this is a good thing because it's showing like we're in a tight range, and if it breaks either above or below, it would be a good seller buy. Not as much below because there's no real space, but the 1 hour is the four. It's the detailed version of the 4 hours, the breakdown. But the thing is, you have to almost treat them differently, but the same at the same time, because you need to look at like when you're looking at like entries, right? Because the candles are broken down, you may kind of people might treat like an individual 1 hour candle the same like a 4 hour, but you need to understand like the overall picture, which is why it's good to look at. Just keep like I like to always rotate between things just to make sure that my bias and everything. Yeah, I mean, I still think I'm looking for buys, but it's hard to tell. It's hard to tell. I mean, the weekly we are bullish, daily we're bullish, 4 hour we're bearish, but we both have support. Let's see. I'm just in this range, so yeah, there's not much going on. I'm gonna set an alert here on this just in case it breaks it during I don't know why it's alerted me even though it's already happened. Let me set an alert here. Set an alert here. I got my Apple Watch. It'll send me the alert on my Apple Watch. Let me set a. Yeah, I'll get like a 1. It's not 1-to-1. I'll say. I like to just say like buy ? And then that makes me just kind of go into a check. Yeah, so I'll set an alert there and kind of. Yeah, if it gets to that level, well. Just delete all the alerts. Go to the alert tab on the right. Pretty much. Bro, I love this. I love this internet, man, because I can stream and the connection just stays so high throughout the whole thing. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, there's no news, so I think clean moves. Clean moves. 30-minute is like the last 30-minute close with no wick. 30 minutes gonna mark up. Yeah, so this is what I was saying an hour ago. So I said let it range in this area. Actually, no, look at this. It actually did. Look, it respected that, as I was saying, that even though it wicked below. Yeah, like we're getting this. We're getting more. We're getting more pressure building up. If you get me, the cocaine analogy. So, I think I'd take a trade like this if it breaks like something like this, and let's say like a 10 pip stop. And yeah, it's pretty much just looking up at this point. Since it's Monday, who knows, it could fucking fake us out. But it's so clean. Look at this. Just drop. There's no reason for this not to just keep going up, in my opinion. Of course, if it was a fake out. But I will set my ultimate target to here. I'll take my profit. No, I'll take 60% at. Is it that big? Let me check. It's a 40 pip range. No, I wouldn't say it's a range. It's a retest of a previous support. Is what it is. And it's rejecting it. It's rejecting it. However, to go down, it's rejecting it. But at the same time, you got to understand we're also at a daily support, right? So then there's the issue of, okay, wait a minute, we're at daily support, but we're at 4-hour resistance. Pretty much. No, that's what I said. That's what I said. It was support before here. And I said, remember early in the day, I said it's gonna come back up and probably test it as resistance, and it is. This is a retest. This is a retest of a support, now resistance. Do you see that? Yeah. That's why I like the 4-hour is the cleanest time frame for me to look at. Like, it's so easy to read it, and then it's so easy then to know when to enter. I don't really look at the 1-hour. I just kind of jump 4-hour to 30-minute. I don't draw 1-hour levels anymore, because I find, at least from the last week, I find that it doesn't give a fuck about 1-hour levels. But I still, just in case, have like, I think I'd have a partial at a 1-hour level. But look at this, the 1-hour, the 30-minute, and the 4-hour all align exactly on this part here. Meaning there's a high chance it could go up, but at the same time, you gotta understand that it has to, the only way for this to work is it to break above and possibly close. So yeah, there might not be any trades today. Who knows? Who knows? At least definitely not this London session. I don't think there's gonna be a trade. I think maybe, yeah, I think maybe New York. But it was fast. It was fast. It was really, it did move fast in the morning. Well, I mean, it's still the morning, but earlier. But the thing is, yeah, yeah, man, I've realized it's a lot though. This isn't even like some days. This is a lot. I've realized that. Yeah, because I go back to the old journal. I've won trades at 8:39, but not on a Monday though. Like, and I don't want to get into the bias and the fear that all Mondays are evil. I just want to like chill. I want to get really good confirmations to show that we're in a good seller buy. So for me, it all depends on how candles close around this resistance. That's it, really. There's nothing going on. I mean, these candles are closing with no wicks, so it's gonna reverse. I'm going bullish for a bit, but yeah, I mean, we won't know for the next. The 1 hour closes in 16 minutes, so when the 1 hour closes that close to the current time, I look at the 1 hour, and if it's the 30 minutes closing a near time, then I look at that. But yeah, I'm really going to look at the 1 hour now. Yeah, it all depends where it closes. And even if it closes below bearish, I'm still not going to take the trade, because the next level after that is the ultimate end of the daily support. So if you look, even if it broke below this blue line, we have this issue here, and I'm not fucking with that. It has to close below. It just has to, or burst below or something, or like maybe some kind of range in here and then shoot out. Because if it's not the scenario where there's a range in here or it closes below, then I'm not looking for sells. So I'm just not looking for sells here, because it has to close here or range here to see it then form weak bullish candles, and then I'll take a sell. So, and look, we're getting strong bullish candles recently, so there's no reason to look at sells, in my opinion. Uh, I don't know, but I took this sell from a really high up position during London session. I'm assuming he probably took the sell as well because that shit just kept going down. There was no buys. Yeah, stream ends in 15 minutes. Not a single trade. I think that stream is good because it helps you not take dumb fucking trades because we're watching each other. So it makes it like, okay, you're seeing this, I'm seeing this. And then as we get more of the tradeway guys on the stream, we can get like a bigger... Why did he disappear? How long has he been trading? Few years. Actually, yeah, what's his history of trading? Because no one, listen, first of all, that group chat, yeah, people need to start talking in a more analytical way. Like, people aren't posting their analysis. I don't know what everyone's doing. Bro, I don't know what they're doing. Like, there's no analysis. Like, they're not telling me, they're not saying how they're taking these trades. They just post what like they're in the trade or here's the MetaTrader money. But what analysis are you taking? Like, I need to see the analysis, man. That group chat, they need to improve. Yeah. Wait, explain Abdul's story with trading. Like, initially. Man, I wish I fucking knew about this years ago. I would be so fucking... Ooh, I'd be beautified right now. Yeah. One to 30. God damn. Didn't know about IC markets, bro. Wait, when was this? 2018? 2017? Damn, bro. If I only knew that shit then. Damn, man. God damn. You know 2016 is around when My FX Journal started and Wix and all them. And Eds. Bro, most of them started 2016, 2015. So, but, you know, forget about the ifs and buts. Right now, it's about in 2023, 2024, we'll be on that level. $20.60, man. Yeah. Bro, it was me that introduced us to IC markets, right? Because I remember I wasn't fucking with BD Swiss. Yeah, bro. IC markets is the best thing ever. Deposits, withdrawals, leverage. It's regulated. Like, I do remember you were talking about negative balance or some shit, but I was saying you shouldn't. I know there's none, but you shouldn't be in negative balance ever. Like if you get into negative balance, either you start with a $100 account or you just for some reason blew a big account or a medium account. GJ could be looking for a buy pretty soon. Pretty soon. The 4 hour is about to close in 10 minutes. The 1 hour is about to close. Okay, wait, hang on. Alright, so if the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 30-minute, which they all going to close at the same time, close above the level, I am buying. I'm buying. I am going to buy. Let me. I use a. Yeah, let me get the trade. Right. 10 minutes, 4 hour closing in 10 minutes, 1 hour, 30-minute. They're all bullish. The daily's bullish, the weekly's bullish. Everything is bullish right now. All it has to do is close above. That's all it has to do. I'm waiting. Damn, I don't fucking know. Who knows? It could be a fake out, but the fact they're all doing it, yeah. The fact they're all bullish right now, the 4 hour, 1 hour, and 30 minutes specifically, it's giving me, give me a chance to take a trade here, maybe. 8 minutes. Man, it's always when like a candle's about to close, it starts to move the most. Motherfuckers start buying and selling like crazy. And then can do whatever. But it all depends. I am waiting for a close here. I should probably get one of the magic keys, but I can't use it on my MacBook because the MetaTrader 4 does not work with the new macOS Catalina. Well, Big Sur is the new one, and Catalina as well. Yeah, but the thing was range trading. You only see that because you've already seen the candles. Like, this is, what is this shit? Like, how are you supposed to trade this? Like I don't know, man. Like, there's no trades here, honestly. Realistically, there's no trades here. Like, what is this? I think as it's going, you're thinking, oh shit, it's going against me, but it doesn't. And it's going against me again. Nah, fuck that shit. Those aren't trades, man. Those are not trades. That's how you just lose all your fucking account. That's how you blow. And the thing is, I've never blown an account yet. I've never blown an account. This is my second live account. My first one, I made some profit. I withdrew, went to that learning period. This is my second live account. You can't blow an account if the risk is calculated. You can't blow an account. Like, it's impossible. You have to lose almost every trade or something. And every trade, maybe your full margin in every fucking trade. Forget a margin call every time you open a position. That's the only time you're blowing your account. Yeah. I'm just waiting. 6 minutes. I don't want to get impatient. I think just waiting. Wait in this situation. 6 minutes. God damn, I'm fucking tired, bro. I'm probably gonna just take it easy with work today because I should have slept earlier. Man, the only thing I don't like about this in the industry of programming is like the business side of things. Like, it's fucking annoying. Like, the meetings, useless meetings, a million calls, this and that shit. I don't take 80% of them. I just ignore most of them. But another annoying thing is like just little business. No, I don't deal with clients. I just make the products. Clients is not what I deal with. Clients is more manager business thing. I just deal with making the shit, which is what I like. I like being back end, not seeing all that shit. Like, the only annoying thing is, like I said, like stupid things. Like they'll have a million fucking video calling apps, Zooms, WebEx, Skype, Teams. Like what do businesses do? They have so many inefficiencies. Like simple solutions, big businesses don't want to use for some reason. It's fucking annoying. Like all these little shit, and then you have issue of legacy like systems where like you got these old ideas mixing with new ideas, and the old ideas don't want to accept the new ideas. It's fucking annoying, man. Gold. I don't even trade gold. But bro, I was looking at gold last week passively, and I see that gold when it shoots up, and it shoots up maybe 80 pips and retraces maybe 80 pips. Holy shit, man. Gold doesn't play around. Gold does not play around. I know my FX and Uncle Ted trade gold like I trade GJ. They're only about gold pretty much. That's GJ, huh? Just looking at it because it's closing. It's closing bearish. Gonna have a trade here, maybe. Could have a trade here in 3 minutes. Closing. All right. So if I was quickly in a second. Oh, I already have my levels here. Yeah, like I said, I was already looking at it. Yeah. It's not hard to trade. It's the thing is, it's about really, it's about risk management, because when it retraces, holy, it retraces. Like, watch this. This may look like a small move. This is already 77 pips and 80 pips, and it barely moves on the chart. Nah, fuck that shit, man. Like, gold, cool. I will trade that maybe next year, but right now, my focus is GJ. Like, gold makes normal Forex pairs look like the stock market, man. Yo, he almost 100 lots, 10 pip target, a little 10 pip target, 100 lots, bro. What is that? 100. What is that? 10 pips and one. Yeah, what is that? What is that in gold? 10 pips in price. So these 1K a move times 10. That's 10K a move. 10K profit, right? God damn. I mean, I did see him take. Did see him once take a 56K individual trade wins. Like, I did see him have a 56,000 trade, just one trade. Yo, he made somebody's yearly salary without the tax, so the whole gross income as net for him. He made $500,000 last week. Bro, that's what I was saying. And my FX is just as impressive as well, because my FX is 23 or 22. And Ted is older. Ted only started, but here's the thing. Both of them only started trading 5 years ago. Bro, this is what I'm saying. Looking at the trend of all these good traders, it takes about 5 years to get to that. You're making 400K a week level. But to get to that 10K a month, 20K a month level, 2-3 years is all it takes. Bro, think about this now. And as you're building up 10, 20K a month, we're going to be hitting 2K monthly. No, this is here. It's closing. Yeah, there's no there's no buy. There's no buy here. There's no buy. Yeah, it's about to close, but it's closing in the range. So yeah, yeah. I don't think there's a buy here. I'm gonna end the trade. I mean, end the stream. Yeah, I don't think there's anything going on here. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, we'll sort out the audio. Later, are you free later today to test out this Zoom audio thing? Before 5. All right, I'll try. I'll try and make the time, or I might wake up earlier tomorrow so we can try for 20 minutes to test it out. Yeah, probably wake up earlier tomorrow. All right, so I'm gonna end the stream here. There's no trade right now because it closed in the range, so that's that for me. Yeah, yeah.